Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Utility Corner, and in this video we will learn how to make a semicircle in PowerPoint application. So without any delay, let's start our video. So here as you can see, I have my PowerPoint application open and in this I have only one slide. So here first of all, I will add a circle. To add a circle, I will go to Insert and then I will click on Shapes and from there I will click on Oval. Now hold Shift to create a perfect circle. Okay, I will align it at center and then again I will add one more object. This time it will be a rectangle. Now I will align this rectangle so that its left side is aligned with the center of the slide. Now I will unselect both the objects. Now I will first select my circle and then I will hold shift and then I will select my rectangle. Now I will go to shape format and from there I will go to merge shape and from there I will go to subtract. So here you can see we have our semicircle. Now it is very important which shape you select first. If I click Ctrl Z, see if I select rectangle first and then I select my circle, then the circle will be subtracted from the rectangle. Here you can see. So the logic here is that we are subtracting one shape from the another. So whichever shape you select first, the second shape will be subtracted from your first shape. So I hope using this simple technique, you will also be able to create semicircles in PowerPoint.
If you find the content useful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos.